Nomubungo kitutu cha South Rijari Mamaima Onyonka ekoba goika ase amagajo yekiombe kerigethenete obosari gosekeria okora obotugi bwobosari DCI ime yomoji obosongo ase bono ari kioroboti iguru yokuborigwa nomoteneni gosoma swedi we serikali Nurdin Haji kubwatekana nechinkwana akwana ase omosangano oyo mo siasa ime ye county ya Kisii. Mabungo oyo nigekerana nakolika oroboti oru rorango chibijo na chikobwatia banaikerana ase ensemo eyo.
Oi.
My name is Ratemo, counsel for Mheshimiwa Onyonka. We came here because of the summons by the DPP. I think you've seen the letter that was sent out, and Mheshimiwa obliged to the letter and obeyed the summons. So we've been before the officers from DCI and the police service, and we've had a candid chat with them. And as you know, there's a claim that he may have uttered words that are allegedly inflammatory. They didn't tell us what the words were, but we'll wait for further summons from them. They say they do not really, they're happy that Mheshimiwa came, or rather obeyed the summons, and that they shall give us further instructions if need be. So there is no really charge that has been leveled against him.
My name is Wilkins Ochoki. I'm one of the council that accompanied the Honorable Onyonka to the police station at the CID in Kisii. We've had a discussion with the officers. He's done a small statement relating to the summons that had been given to him to attend. As you are well aware, the DPP had given the police officers 7 days to investigate. We are not sure who the complainant is. They have not really told us what charges are facing him, but we have given our Mheshimiwa has explained to them his position.
It would not be prudent for me to say anything. So thank you. Thanks for coming, and God bless you all. Thank you.